Meaning of group work.
Group work.
Group work.
Group work.
Group work. Group work refers to a collaborative effort among individuals to achieve a common goal or complete a task together. In this approach, each member of the group brings their unique skills, experiences, and perspectives to contribute towards the success of the project. The benefits of group work include increased creativity, better problem solving, and improved communication skills. However, it can also lead to conflicts and unequal workload distribution if not managed properly. Overall, group work is a valuable tool for achieving shared objectives and fostering teamwork.